Hey, Dewan here, and thanks for checking out this product review. Do you want to create stunning websites without any coding or design skills? Do you want to save time, money, and hassle while building your online presence? If yes, then you need AI Nexus sites, the ultimate drag and drop website builder that uses artificial intelligence to create and host websites for any niche in 60 seconds flat. Before we get started and dive into the review, I need to let you know that if you would like to work with your very own personal internet marketing coach to help you copy and paste your way to an online income of up to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I am going to give you my 3 awesome bonuses that are going to propel you to the moon. Bonus number 1. Get my exclusive 150,000 royalty-free stock images. Boost your marketing with instant access to over 150,000 high-quality, royalty-free stock images for your websites, add social media, presentations, and more. This exclusive bonus compilation makes stunning visuals easy and affordable. Get unlimited use of business, lifestyle, nature, tech, and other photo bundles without ridiculous subscriptions or fees when you click my link in the description. Bonus number 2. Website and strategy that will give you 25,000 new subscribers every single Friday. Do this every week and you can send your offer to thousands of prospects. Get the source from my link in the description. Bonus number 3. 2000 chat GPT marketing prompts you copy, paste, and get the best responses from AI tools. Unlock 2,000 pre-written marketing prompts to get the most out of Chat GPT and other AI tools. This prompt collection covers copywriting, branding, SEO, social media, and more. Simply copy, paste, and generate content faster than ever. Stop wasting time trying to word prompts and start using AI like a pro today. These are exclusive hot, off-the-presses bonuses that are only available here through my link. These bonuses could easily sell for hundreds of dollars, but I am giving them to you for absolutely free so you can maximize the potential of the product and your success. Boosting your game is what I'm here for. Let's elevate. These bonuses will be delivered to you automatically inside Warrior Plus or JV Zoo when you grab this product. Let's get started with the review. AI Nexus sites is super easy to use. Just follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Select from hundreds of niches and enter a keyword or website import. Step 2. Pick a color theme, a site, style, and customize with your images and text. Step 3. Publish on cloud with SEO optimization. That's it. You have a fully functional and professional website ready to go live. Nexa Sites is not just another website builder. It's a game changer that offers you many benefits, such as 100 pre-built templates across multiple niches to choose from, advanced AI-powered drag and drop editor that lets you customize every element with stunning features and options, free unlimited hosting, domain, and SSL for your website. Multiple languages support to reach a global audience. Advanced site analytics to track and measure your website's performance. Flexible API and autoresponder integrations to connect your website with any service you use. Scheduling software to offer your services and schedule appointments with your clients. Lifetime updates and quality support for a cutting-edge and functional online presence. AI Nexus Sites is the ultimate solution for all your website needs and requirements. It's fast, easy, and affordable. It's 2024 ready and future-proof. It's the best way to create and host stunning AI websites for any niche in 60 seconds flat. Don't miss this opportunity to get AI Nexus sites at an exclusively discounted price. Click the link below and get started today.